So let us see the problem here. First one, a body is originally at 80 degrees centigrade, 80 degrees centigrade, and and cools down to 60 degrees centigrade, 60 degrees centigrade in 20 minutes. In 20 minutes. In 20 minutes. If the temperature of the air, if temperature of the air is 40 degrees centigrade, 40 degrees centigrade. Find the temperature of the body. Find the temperature of the body after 40 minutes. After 40 minutes. So this is the question. Okay. So what is the information they gave in the question? So this is very important. First, if you understand clearly what they mentioned in the question, then it is easy for you. Okay. So easily you can solve it. So first, what is the information they give? So here it is. A body is originally at 80 degrees centigrade. So it means that, so a body is nothing but that may be tea or that may be coffee. So whatever the object it is. So originally at 80 degrees centigrade, it means that suppose your mother gave tea or coffee to you. So basic temperature originally is nothing but at time t is equal to 0. Okay, at time t is equal to 0. That is the original one or initial one. So at t is equal to 0, what is the temperature of that body? Theta, generally what we are giving, theta is nothing but 80 degrees centigrade. So this is first line, and cools down to 60 degrees centigrade in 20 minutes. So from the initial time, so after 20 minutes, the temperature of the body reduces to what? 60 degrees it reduces. Originally 80 degrees. After 20 minutes, it reduces to 60 degrees centigrade. Next, what they mentioned, if the temperature of the air, okay, so temperature of the air is nothing but, generally we'll say that that may be fan or that may be AC, okay, or generally air. That is, we are giving representation as theta naught. So theta naught, how much they give? 40 degrees centigrade. Then what they asked to find here? Find the temperature of the body after 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes, it means what we need to calculate? We need to calculate temperature of the body. Theta we need to calculate at which time? At t is equal, at time t is equal, how many minutes? 40 minutes. So this is the information they gave in the problem. Okay. So at t is equal to 0, the temperature of the body is 80 degrees, and the time t is equal to 20 minutes, the temperature of the body is 60 degrees, and the area temperature of the air is 40 degrees centigrade, and we need to find theta at t is equal 40 minutes. Now, how to solve this one? So here it is. First, by Newton's law of cooling, what we need that? By Newton's law of cooling, by Newton's law of cooling, what we are saying the statement, the rate of change of temperature of a body d theta by dt is proportional to the difference between the temperature of the body and its surrounding medium. So as per the procedure what we said, discussed yesterday, and d theta by dt is equal. So this proportionality constant, what we chosen, k. So that is nothing but minus k into theta minus theta naught, where k is a positive constant, where k is a positive constant. It means proportionality constant, and that should be a positive one. Okay. So where k is a positive constant, and this minus is indication of only for reducing. Now you can simplify this one. So for that, d theta by dt is equal to minus k into, so theta minus, what about theta naught? So theta naught, how much they mentioned? 40 degrees, right? That is nothing but 40. Now by variable separable, we need to simplify this one. By variable separable, by variable separable, simply what we can write, we can separate the variables. D theta by theta minus 40 is equal to minus k dt, minus k dt. And next, on integrating. So why? Because we separated theta terms one side and t terms on that side. So on integrating, so integrating on both sides, then what we'll get? Integral d theta by theta minus 40 is equal to minus k is a constant, integral dt. And now, so this is nothing but integral 1 by theta minus 40 is nothing but log theta minus 40 is equal to minus kt plus constant I am choosing as log c. And next, take this log c into this side. Log theta minus 40 minus log c is equal to minus kt, minus kt. And then this is in the form of log a minus log b. Simply, how can we write this one? Log a by b. So theta minus 40 by c is equal to minus kt. And then simply, how can we write this one? By using logarithms, simply we can write theta minus 40 by c is equal to e power minus kt, e power minus kt. From this, by cross multiplying that, simply what we can write, theta minus 40 is equal to c e power minus kt. And then theta is equal to 40 plus c into e power minus kt. Let it be taken as this is equation 1. Okay. Whatever the problem is, in Newton's law of cooling, if they mention the question is nothing but, you need to write as it is up to equation 1. Just only you need to replace in place of theta naught. Theta naught, what they mentioned in the question, that is the important one. Okay. That theta naught you have to substitute in this, and then remaining as it is none. Suppose if they mention in place of theta naught as 30, then we can write here it is having 30, 30, 30, like that. Up to equation 1, that is common. Not only equation 1, entire problem, what will apply the procedure? Same thing, just they may change the values. That's it. Okay. So this is equation 1. Now coming to problem. So first we need to change the first condition. So what is the first condition? At t is equal to 0, theta is equal 80 degrees centigrade. So initially, when t is equal to 0 minutes, the temperature of the body is 80 degrees centigrade. So that one you have to use when t is equal to 0 minutes. The temperature of the body theta is equal 80 degrees centigrade. Now you can substitute this one in equation 1. So after substituting, so in place of theta as 80 is equal 40 plus c into e power minus k into, in place of t as 0. Then take this 40 into this side. 80 minus 40 is equal c into e power minus k into 0 is nothing but e power 0. So 80 minus 40 is nothing but 40, and if anything power 0 is 1. So c into 1 is nothing but c. So c is equal 40. After writing equation 1, what is the next step? You need to find the value of c by using the initial condition. And now we have to substitute this c in equation 1. So by substituting in equation 1, then simply what we'll get, theta is equal to 40 plus 40 into e power minus kt, and let it be taken as equation 2. Equation 2. Now you take the another condition. What about another condition? At t is equal 20 minutes, theta is equal 60 degrees centigrade. So that one we can write. So when t is equal 20 minutes, the temperature of the body is 60 degrees centigrade. Now you can substitute this one in equation 2. So if you substitute in equation 2, so here it is. Then theta is equal to how much? 60 is equal to 40 plus 40 into e power minus k into t is nothing but how much? 20. Okay. And then 60 minus 40 is equal to 40 into e power minus 20k. And then 60 minus 40 is nothing but 20 is equal 40 into e power minus 20k. And next take this 40 into this side. Then 20 by 40 is equal to e power minus 20k. So then here it is how many times it goes? 21 jar and 22 jar. And now, so 1 by 2 is equal to how much we got it? 1 by 2 is equal to e power minus 20k. I require the value of k. So for that, taking log on both sides. Taking log both sides. Taking log on both sides. Then what will get? Log 1 by 2 is equal to log e power minus 20k. Then log 1 by 2 is equal to, so this is nothing but log a power mm. That is simply we can write minus 20k log e. So log e base is nothing but 1. What about remaining? Log 1 by 2 is equal to minus 20k. Minus 20k. So from this, can you calculate, can you write k or not? So k is equal to what we'll get? K is equal to minus 1 by 20 log 1 by 2. Okay, so this is the second step. The first step is here it is having finding the value of C by using the initial condition and initial time. Next, after few minutes, what are the changes happens in the temperature of body? By taking that, we need to find the value of K. So first C, next K. Now what they asked, that one we need to take. So here it is, we need to find the temperature of the body at which time? At t is equal 40 minutes. So that one we have to write here. So here it is. Next, at t is equal 40 minutes, right? At t is equal 40 minutes. So 40 minutes only they are given, right? Find the temperature of the body after 40 minutes. So at t is equal 40 minutes, 40 minutes, the temperature of the body. The temperature of the body, equation 2 nenum. So the temperature of the body theta is equal. What about equation 2 here? So equation 2, what about that? 40 plus 40 into e power minus kt. 40 plus 40 into e power minus kt. And now, so temperature we are going to calculate 40 plus 40 into e power minus k into, what about t? T is nothing but how much they give? 40, right? Now, theta is equal 40 into 40 plus 40 into, so this is nothing but e power minus 40 into, what about k? Already we got it k, right? So what we got it k here? So see here, k is equal to minus 1 by 20 log 1 by 2. Substitute that one. Minus 1 by 20 log 1 by 2. Log 1 by 2. Here it is having minus into minus plus and 21 jar and 22 jar. So theta is equal, simply what we got it, 40 plus 40 into e power. So this is nothing but minus into minus plus 2 log 1 by 2. This is the remaining one. And now, so 40 plus 40 into, so this is simply, how can we write this one? E power m log m. So m log a is nothing but simply what we can write, log a power m. So this is equal 40 plus 40 into, so e power log a. Since e power log a is nothing but what? Simply that is equal to a. Here in place of a, what we have? 1 by 2 whole square. So that is nothing but 40 plus 40 into 1 by 4. So here it is 4 1s are 4 zeros are. So this is 40 plus 10. So that is theta is equal to how much? 50 degrees centigrade. So theta is equal to 50 degrees centigrade. When the time become 40 minutes, the temperature reduces to 50 degrees centigrade. So this is the way we need to calculate the temperature of the. Next question. The temperature of the body drops from 100 degrees centigrade centigrade to 75 degrees centigrade. So I'm writing directly degrees centigrade in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, when the surrounding air surrounding air is at 20 degrees centigrade, 20 degree centigrade temperature. What will be its temperature? What will be its temperature after half an hour? When will the temperature be 25 degrees centigrade. This is the question they mentioned here. So first you need to understand the question clearly and what the information they give. So that is a very important here. Okay. So first circum, the temperature of the body drops from 100 degrees centigrade to 75 degrees centigrade. Okay. In 10 minutes, when the surrounding air is at 20 degrees centigrade, then 20 degrees centigrade temperature. What will be its temperature after half an hour? After half an hour, next, when will be the temperature be 25 degrees centigrade? So 25 degrees centigrade. So this is the question. So here it is. What the information they gave first? When the surrounding air ichadam, that is nothing but theta naught is equal to how much? 20 degrees centigrade. So this is theta naught. Next, the temperature of the body drops from 100 degrees centigrade to 75 degrees centigrade. In how much time? 10 minutes time. It means initially how much the temperature of the body at T is equal to 0. The temperature of the body is 100 degrees centigrade. And next, when T is equal to 10 minutes. 10 minutes, the temperature of the body is drops to from 100 to how much? 75 degrees centigrade. And next, what are the questions they asked? What will be its temperature after half an hour? So here it is, if you observe that the T is in entire minute sum. So the problem should be completely in minutes or completely in hours. So here it is, half an hour is nothing but, what is that? Half an hour is nothing but in minutes, 30 minutes, right? So 30 minutes at T is equal 30 minutes. What about temperature of the body? That one they asked. And next, When will be the temperature be 25 degrees centigrade? It means another question what they ask, at the temperature of the body is 25 degrees centigrade at what time? Okay, so T we need to find. Okay, only these two you need to calculate in this Newton's law of cooling. One is if they mention time, temperature you need to calculate. If they mention temperature and you need to find time. Okay, so first temperature same as is what we discussed till now. Same as is. There is no change in that. And time I will explain now. Okay, is it clear? So first you need to understand the question clearly what they mentioned. Okay, the temperature of the body is nothing but just we are giving representation as theta. Drops from, so drops is nothing but falling from where 100 degrees centigrade to 75 degrees centigrade. So it means initially the temperature of the body is 100 degrees centigrade and it reduces to 75 degrees centigrade within how much time? Within 10 minutes. So for that T equal to 10 minutes. When the surrounding air is 20 degrees centigrade temperature, it means the temperature of the air. So that is nothing but based on the weather air only the temperature reduces, right? So here it is what they mentioned, the temperature of the air is 20 degrees centigrade. And here they asked two questions. At T is equal to 30 minutes, what about temperature? And second one, at time we need, at what time the temperature reduces to 25 degrees centigrade. Okay, so these are the two things we need to calculate here. First one, asteism. So first question what we wrote, as is we need to write from this one. By Newton's law of cooling, this total one as is up to equation 1. Okay, so I'm writing here from equation 1. In place of 40, what we have to write? 40 is nothing but temperature of the body. Sorry, temperature of the air. So temperature of the air, how much they mentioned there? 25 degrees, right? So that is nothing but simply what we can write. By Newton's law of cooling, theta is equal 25, 25, not 25. How much? 20. 20 plus C into e power minus kt. Let it be taken as equation 1. Okay, but don't write directly this one when you are writing the in problems in exams. So simply you need to write from here onwards. So by Newton's law of cooling, this total one you need to write until equation 1. Just the value will differ based on the problem. Here it is the temperature of the air is 40 degrees. So for that I substituted 40. But in this problem, the temperature of the air is 20 degrees. So for that 20 I substituted. Okay. Now we need, what is the first step? We need to find C value. So for that, which one we have to take? The first condition. What is that? When T is equal to 0. When T is equal to 0, temperature of the body is 100 degrees centigrade. Substitute those things in equation 1. So if we substitute in that, what we get? 100 is equal to 20 plus C into e power minus k into 0. Then take this 20 into left hand side. 100 minus 20 is equal C e power 0. And then 80 is equal 100 minus 20 is 80 and anything for 0 is 1. So C is equal to how much we got it? 80. Next, we need to substitute this one in equation 1. Substituting C in equation 1, then what we'll get? Theta is equal to 20 plus 80 e power minus kt. Just I substituted C value in equation 1. Now, equation 2, we gave name for this. Now we need to find k value by taking second condition. What is that second condition? At T is equal to 10 minutes, the temperature of the body is 75 degrees. So that one only we have to take now. At T is equal to 10 minutes. The temperature of the body is 75 degrees. Now you can substitute those things in equation 2. So theta is equal to, so second equation is what? 20 plus 80 e power minus kt. Now you can substitute. Theta is nothing but how much? 75 is equal to 20 plus 80 into e power minus k into t is nothing but how much? 10 minutes. So 10. Now we have to substitute, we have to simplify for getting the value of k. So for that, first to take this 20 into left hand side, 75 minus 20 is equal to 80 into e power minus 10k. Next, 75 minus 20, that is nothing but 55. So 55 is equal to 80 into e power minus 10k. And next take this 80 into left hand side, there it is multiplying. When it comes to this side, it is division. So 55 by 80 is equal to e power minus 10k. Okay, any cancellation one, you can cancel that. So here it is 511, 5 ones are 5 ones are. Next this is 5 ones are and 5 6 are. And now, so here it is what we got it now, 11 by 16 is equal to e power minus 10k. I require the value of k. So for that, simply we can apply log on both sides. So log of 11 by 16 is equal to log e power minus 10k, e power minus 10k. And then, so here it is, this is in the form of m log a. So log a power m, we can write it as minus 10k log e. So since log e base is equal to 1, so for that, log 11 by 16 is equal minus 10k. And then k is equal. So from this, simply what we can write, k is equal to minus 1 by 10 into log 11 by 16, log 11 by 16. So this is the value of k. Okay, so this is the value of k. Now we need to take next condition. We need to find the temperature of the body at t is equal 30 minutes. So at t is equal 30 minutes, from equation 2 only now, 2 eta is equal 20 plus 80 into e power minus 80, equation 2 only. So that is theta is equal 20 plus 80 into e power minus k into. So what about t here? What about time? Time t is equal 30. So 30 minutes. So this is equal, theta is equal 20 plus 80 into e power minus 30 into, already k we calculated or not? What about k? Minus 1 by 10 into log 11 by 16. 11 by 16. And then theta is equal 20 plus 80 into e power, here it is having 10 threes are, right? So and minus into minus plus. So simply what we got, 3 into log 11 by 16. And then theta is equal 20 plus 80 into e power m log a is nothing but simply what we can write, log 11 by 16 whole cube. And then theta is equal 20 plus 80 into e power log a is nothing but simply 80 into 11 by 16 whole cube. So this is nothing but simply what we got it. So theta is equal to 46 degrees centigrade. By simplifying this, we'll get it as the temperature of the body is 40 degrees centigrade at the time t is equal 30 minutes. Okay, when theta is equal, when theta is equal, what about temperature they give? Here it is 25 degrees centigrade. So when theta is equal 25 degrees centigrade, 25 degrees centigrade. Now we need to take second equation as this. So from equation 2, what about equation 2? Theta is equal, here it is. What about theta? 20 plus 80 into e power minus k. 20 plus 80 into e power minus k. So this is second equation. So now we already know that the temperature. So for that, simply we can write 25 is equal 20 plus 80 into e power minus kt. Okay, and then here it is having, take this 20 into left hand side. If you take the 20 into left hand side, it changes to 25 minus 20 is equal 80 into e power minus 80. And then 25 minus 20 is nothing but, so 5 is equal to 80 into e power minus 80. And then take this 80 into left hand side, so 5 by 80 is equal to e power minus 80. But what I require t, but this is an exponential form. So for removing that exponential form, what is the alternative for us? Only taking log. So taking log on both sides, then what will get? Log 5 by 80 is equal to log e power minus 80, and then log 5 by 80 is equal, so this is already we know that, so simply what we can write, this is in the form of log a power m, we can write it as m log a, so that is minus kt into log e. So since already we know that log e base is nothing but 1, so log 5 by 80 is equal to minus kt. So since log e is equal to how much? 1. Okay. And then, so I require t value. So for that, simply what we can do it. So here it is, t is equal to log 5 by 80 by minus k. So this is equal to k, already we calculated or not? Yes. So what about k here? Minus 1 by 10 log 11 by 16. So that one we need to substitute. Log 5 by 80 by minus of minus 1 by 10 log 11 by 16. So this is equal. So minus into minus plus, and this 10 goes to numerator. So 10 into log 5 by 80 by log 11 by 16. 11 by 16. So which is that is implies t is equal. Here you need to use calci. There is no alternative for you. Calci is mandatory. Okay. Without calci you can't get it. Okay. So and one more thing, in your calci you should use the button as ln. Why? Because we are applying basium. In your calci you should use ln button. Okay. Then you can get the value is here it is 74.86 minutes. That is nothing but t is equal to how many minutes? 75 minutes. It means simply what we can say that for reducing the temperature of the body from 100 degrees to 25 degrees, the time will taken as 75 minutes. Okay. So this is the procedure we need to apply for calculating t. Next question. If the temperature of the air of the air is 30 degrees centigrade, and the substance cools from 100 degrees centigrade to from 100 degrees centigrade to 70 degrees centigrade in 15 minutes. In 15 minutes. Find when the temperature will be, when the temperature find when the temperature will be 40 degrees centigrade. find when the temperature will be 40 degrees centigrade, and also find the temperature, also find the temperature at T is equal 30 minutes. Okay, so this is the question. Here also two problems included in that. So here it is, the what is the information? First we need to write that one. So here it is. What is the information they give? If the temperature of the air is 30 degrees centigrade. Okay, so the temperature of the air is 30 degrees centigrade, and the substance cools from 100 degrees centigrade to 70 degrees centigrade within how much time? 15 minutes. Find when the temperature will be 40 degrees centigrade, and find the temperature at T is equal to 30 minutes. It means first, what about the temperature of the air? So temperature of the air is 30 degrees centigrade. So 30 degrees centigrade. And next, what is the information they give? At T is equal to 0. Originally, initially, the temperature of the body is how much? 100 degrees centigrade. And next, at time T is equal to 15 minutes, the temperature reduces to what? 70 degrees centigrade. And next, find when the temperature will be 40 degrees centigrade. So when the temperature will be 40 degrees centigrade. And next, also find the temperature at time T is equal 30 minutes. So 30 minutes, then what about temperature of the water? So this is. So like this, if you write there the side of your paper, then easily you can get it. Okay. Now, what is the first equation? Here it is. Theta is equal 30 degrees centigrade plus C into e power minus kT. This one we have to take it as equation 1. Now we need to find the value of C. So for getting the value of C, what we have to take? At T is equal to 0. At T is equal to 0 minutes, the temperature of the body theta is equal to how much? 100, right? So that one we can substitute here. So 100 is equal 30 plus C into e power minus k into 0. So 100 minus 30 is equal to how much? C. And then 70 is equal to C. So C is equal to how much we got it? 70 degrees centigrade. And we can substitute that one in equation 1. Then theta is equal to 30 plus 70 into e power minus kt. And let it be taken as this equation 2. Now, by taking these conditions, now onwards we have to use only equation 2, right? So up to getting the C value, we have to take equation 1, and after that we have to take equation 2. Even though if you take equation 1 also, no problem. Simply you have to substitute in place of C as 70. Okay. Now, at T is equal 15 minutes. At T is equal 15 minutes. What about temperature? 70 degrees centigrade, right? Substitute this one in equation 2. So theta is equal to 30 plus 70 e power minus k. This is second equation. So theta is how much? 70 is equal to 30 plus 70 into e power minus 15k. Just I substitute in place of t as 15 and theta as 70. Now we can simplify this one. 70 minus 30 is equal to 70 e power minus 15k. And then 70 minus 30 is nothing but 40. So 40 is equal to 70 into e power minus 15k. Then, so take this 70 into this side. So 40 by 70 is equal to e power minus 15k. Here it is 0, 0, both will cancel. So 4 by 7 is equal to e power minus 15k. Next, taking log on both sides for getting the value of k. So log 4 by 7 is equal to log e power minus 15k. And next, this is equal to log a power m is nothing but m log a. So minus 15k is equal to log 11 by 4 by 7. And k value, how much we got here? So that implies k is equal to minus 1 by 15 into log 4 by 7. So k value also I got. So first C value, next we need to find k value. Now we need to find temperature as well as time. So first time I'm going to calculate. So for calculating time, what is the temperature they give? 40 degrees. When the temperature of the body is to 40 degrees centigrade, the time t is equal t I require. So for that I am taking a second equation. Theta is equal 30 plus 70 into e power minus kt. Okay, and now we can substitute in that theta is equal 30 plus 70 into, so temperature only they given. So here it is in place of theta, as we can choose 40 is equal 30 plus 70 into e power minus k, and then take this 30 into this side. So 40 minus 30 is equal 70 into e power minus kt, and then here it is 40 minus 30 is nothing but 10. So 10 is equal to 70 into e power minus kt. So take this 70 into this side. So how many times it goes? 7 times. 1 by 7 is equal to e power minus kt. But I require t. So for that I have to take log. So log 1 by 7 is equal to log e power minus kt. And then, so here it is, log 1 by 7 is equal to log a power m. That is simply how can we write? Minus ktm log a. That implies t is equal, simply what we can write? Log 1 by 7 by minus k. K minus k. And now we need to substitute the value of k. Already we calculated k. So that's why simply here it is, I'm writing t. T is equal to log 1 by 7 by, so this is minus k is nothing but, k is nothing but what we got it, minus of minus 1 by 15 into log 4 by 7. So this is nothing but simply, so minus into minus plus, and this 15 goes to numerator, 15 into log, and don't confuse, and surely you do the mistake only here. Why? Because here you forget about writing minus. Okay, so minus of minus km. Okay, so here already k value is having minus, and in the denominator here it is having minus. So for that, simply here it is 15 log 4 by 7, 15 log 1 by 7 by log 4 by 7. So then we need to find this value by using logarithms. Okay. So by using logarithms in your calculus, you can find, then you get t value. Okay. Next, temperature I need to calculate, right? So temperature, for calculating temperature also we have to take the second equation. So here I am writing that, see here the different right. So see here, theta is equal, second equation I am taking. So theta is equal to 30 plus 70 into e power minus kt. E power minus kt. That is nothing but, so simply what we can write, here it is. Let us see that theta is equal to 30 as this plus 70 into e power minus k into time only. So what about time? At what time they asked to calculate? 30 minutes. So for that 30. And then theta is equal to 30 plus 70 into e power minus 30 into k and m. So k is nothing but minus 1 by 15, 1 by 15 log 4 by 7. So here it is 15 ones are and 15 twos are. So this is. And then theta is equal to 30 plus 70 into 30 plus 70 into, this is nothing but minus into minus plus, and 2 log e power 2 log 4 by 7. 4 by 7. That is nothing but theta is equal 30 plus 70 into, so this is again in the form of m log m. Simply how can we write? E power log 4 by 7 whole square. So e power log a is nothing but a. And it means that simply what we can write here, theta is equal to 30 plus 70 into 4 by 7 whole square. So that is nothing but 30 plus 70 into 16 by 49. By calculating this, we will get temperature of the body. Okay. So same pattern, just like a second problem, how we solve same pattern, third problem. Okay. So only these are the problems. In some of the cases, they may mention in hours. Okay. If suppose the complete problem in hours, you have to take it in hours only. If it is half of the problem is minutes and half of the problem is hours, we can convert hours into minutes and then we have to calculate. Let us see carefully. Don't go for blindly. Okay. If you observe each and every problem, whatever we solve, they mention here it is having t is in minutes. And of course, second problem, I think they mentioned half an hour. Half an hour, we wrote as 30 minutes. Okay. Like that, you need to identify. And procedure, there is no change in that. Okay. Same procedure we apply. Only the thing is, we need to understand the question clearly. What is the information they give? Okay. That one you need to see clearly. If you identify the given data and the procedure as useful and calculation part also very easily you can get. Okay, simple calculation. There is no much of calculation here. Okay, any doubt in that?